Hello, everyone. So we are talking again about the number blocks. They are really well thought out. They are perfect for hands-on learning. They have different characters that you can build and construct, and they have guides to build the characters. They enhance skills in counting, addition, subtraction, and multiplication, as well as division. Children can discover different math concepts with engaging activity with the cubes. It is an inclusive, has inclusive accessories. It comes with various number blocks and different theme stickers for extended play. And it is very interactive. You can play along episodes from the popular Numberblocks TV show. It allows kids to play on their own, or you can do guided activity. This is great for homeschooling. You can do it, have your kids do it independently as they're watching the show, or you can do it with them. It's for ages 3+. I love that it teaches the basics of math. And I love the activity. At some point, I want to do a live with some of the homeschooling activities I have collected, like the number blocks one. I find it really fun. This is one of my favorite activities so far. I love that all you have to do is get blocks 2 and block 1, my little one, and you place the blocks. And you just place them on their matching thing, and it changes for each block. And I feel like each time I've done this, I've gotten like quicker and quicker at it. I mean, how much fun is this? And I think you could do it homeschooling with a group of kiddos and have them each have a different card that is at their level and time them. I think it'd be fun to time them and like see how quickly each kid can like finish their activity that's at their grade level. This would be great for small groups. Each kid could get a different card if you're a teacher, and work on an activity that is at their skill. This activity I love a lot. You put your 2, you put your 1. You know, there's 1 tree, 1 apple, 1 bee. And number 1 is lonely. So we're going to remove number 2. We're going to move number 1 over here. And then we're going to add in 1 because 1 plus 1 equals 2. So we've got our number 2. We're going to switch that out with a number 2 block. So now we have character number 2. But how do we get back to character number 1? We remove a block. So now we have 1 block. So our character again becomes block number 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. And we can talk about how the tree is bigger than the apple, but it's still 1 tree and still 1 apple. We can talk about how there's 2 shoes over here, 2 tennis rackets, 2 wheels on the bike. I think that's awesome. This activity is another one where you're trying to make, you're basically trying to make 4, and you have to do it with different cubes. So you could do it with 4 ones. I think that is probably my favorite way to build it, is with 4 ones. You could do it with 2 2s. And then you could also do it with a number 3. You just might have to change the shape of number 3 along with a 1. So basically 4 plus 0 is 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. And I love that. I think that it is one of the activities that I also really enjoy. Each activity is different and at a different grade level for your kiddos. So you could do this with older kids and younger schools, which is very useful if you're homeschooling more than one kiddo in your family. Because multiple kids can do it at once. It's good for like small groups in school. And not only that, I love how they have the cards that give you an introduction to each character, where you can trace the number. You can ask questions like, which plate has 0 cakes? This one. Which nest has 0 eggs? This one. And I love how each one are different. So like the number 1 is different. You would trace. There's 1 ball, 1 cupcake, 1 flower, and 2 minus 1 equals 1. So that's a math fact your kid can remember. And then you can go on to why do I have number 3 next? I know there's number 2. So I'm over here like 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Number 2 is right here. We found number 2. I already did numbers. Oh no, 1 plus 1 equals 2. And then we have 2 2s. And then we have 2 pairs of slippers. 2 slippers. We have 2 mittens and we have 2 socks, which makes pairs. So there's like all kinds of different introduction cards. They come with an introduction that you can read as well. I hope this smaller video will help you if you're deciding to buy this kit. I think it's an awesome kit to get. And you know, this isn't the only math activity that we use in my family. We do other math games, other math resources. We also do workbooks. So that, and we change up the number blocks from time to time so it looks like they're wearing different outfits or different patterns to avoid a kid associating the color with the number. I'm not too worried about that because we do so many different math games and activities. But yeah, I wanted to do a smaller review because I know not everyone has time to watch the longer ones. Thank you for watching along, and I hope everyone's having a lovely day. Bye, everyone.